what it does, can be a programming language, but we are not programming anything. I want to draw a blue color, a blue. The whatever we'll be doing will be blue. Then the line, the thickness will be thin. Then it's from 0.00. It's a circle. This is how we draw circles. Then the X centimeter. This means check what? I draw a circle centered at 0.00. Then the radius of the circle is argument here. Which is, so it iterates from 1 to 6. So the first circle itakuwa 1.4. Then nataka tuchore hizi zinaitwa equipotential line red. So again for each use what? Use like and to for that one, this is where you apply all your thinking. For each, let me use an angle, because now here have to really think how you want to do this line. I think it's harder to draw the line back. Then kuna kitu, so for angle in to answer 0. Interval. Draw red color, angle, then 6.5, the width, the length of the line, that is from the origin.